Hi, everybody. Meteorologist Joe Cioffi here. Weather in 5 days in 5 minutes. And it looks like we're having a decent start to the day, just holding on to what's left of the dry air and the beautiful air mass that covered us through the weekend and through yesterday for the three best days of the spring, and it actually included a weekend, which is phenomenal. Now, of course, we do have a cold front, and you can see the signature here of the clouds on the satellite. It's got that little hook look to it. So we've got a cold front that's coming with some showers and thunderstorms. There's some more thunderstorms breaking out in parts of the plains this morning. See a little blow up there over Oklahoma. That's been kind of the center of attention, severe weather-wise yesterday, and to an extent today as well. The system here in the east, it's going to be one of these things where the showers and storms will approach eastern Pennsylvania and western New Jersey late this afternoon and early evening. And after that, they're probably going to fade somewhat. So I'm not really anticipating here anything severe, and the Storm Prediction Center is not either. The radar is quiet. There's nothing close by. Most of the showers are now in western PA, eastern Ohio, extending down into Tennessee and North Georgia. And we also see a concentration of showers and storms going on in parts of the southern and central plains, from the southern half of Kansas, but particularly over Oklahoma here. Just to the southwest of Oklahoma City, we're seeing a number of strong thunderstorms, and there's going to be some more action there today. The Storm Prediction Center is working on an enhanced risk of severe weather throughout much of the western plains from northern Texas on northward. The concentration of enhanced is southern Nebraska and northern Kansas. We have a slight risk also across eastern Oklahoma and to Arkansas, western Tennessee, and then the marginal risk kind of creeps up into western New York. So as far as our area is concerned, I'm really not looking, unless there's an isolated severe thunderstorm, and if there is, it's going to be well to the west. So we just don't have the support in the upper atmosphere to trigger off severe weather near the coast. Now, for tomorrow, the Storm Prediction Center has a marginal risk from southernmost New Jersey down into Delaware, the Delmarva Peninsula, Maryland, Virginia, and into North Carolina. There's no indicated tornado risk other than the fact that it's all less than 2% in all areas. General thunderstorms being forecast to the north of there, and that's with that second wave that's going to be coming around. And then as we head on into Thursday, this is Thursday into Friday, there's some residual shower and thunderstorm chances during the morning hours from southeastern New England down into the Carolinas. The risk area is also for severe weather will be back in Kansas and southern Nebraska and northern Oklahoma. And we have some severe weather risks showing up in the long range. On day 4, it's in the lower Mississippi Valley into Mississippi and Alabama. Then we have predictability too low after that for the rest of the forecast period. And as far as rain is concerned, now we've got this first event here with the front approaching tonight, the second wave tomorrow night into Thursday morning, where I think the bulk of the rain is going to fall. And then we still have some questions regarding Saturday, system for Friday night into Saturday. Models are in disagreement over how to handle all this. But the WPC is still indicating about 1.5 inches to some as much as 2+ inches over the next 7 days for much of southern New England and southeastern New England down into northeastern Virginia, and I think that pretty much makes sense. So as we move through today, so here's our high offshore. We're going to see high temperatures in the upper 70s to some lower 80s today, tomorrow, and probably Thursday as well. The front approaches. This is at 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock this afternoon. You see those showers and storms in the eastern half of Pennsylvania, and then they just kind of get a little blotchy there as we go into the evening hours. By 8 o'clock, there'll be some scattered showers and thunderstorms around as that front carries through. The front stalls, and now here comes the next energy. I think the day side tomorrow probably won't be too bad. Might have a situation of changeable skies with some breaks of sunshine, and then we'll wait for tomorrow night into Thursday morning when we'll have this arm of showers and storms lifting up from the southwest as low pressure passes by into upstate New York. By Thursday morning, the back edge of the rain, northeastern Pennsylvania, northern New Jersey, to just off the New Jersey coast to about New York City, with heavy rains in southeastern New England. And then by 2 o'clock in the afternoon, it's all gone everywhere. So improving weather conditions obviously will come first in areas, for example, in southern southeastern Pennsylvania and points south. I mean, they should be done probably by daybreak or so. And then weather conditions improve after that. Friday looks good, looks okay. You see the next system beginning its approach, but it looks like the rains should hold off. And here's where the models start to show some differences. The GFS now wanting to take another low out to our west, which would indicate maybe some showery rains here Friday night into Saturday morning, until a cold front passes late in the day on Saturday, and then weather conditions should improve somewhat on Sunday. There's another little upper air disturbance that's forecast to go by. The Europeans got still a little bit of a different viewpoint, and the models have been very inconsistent here. The European has gotten back to this idea that a system's going to get shoved out much further to the south, which is highly unusual. And actually, if you look at this, it passes, well, I mean, just kind of glances the area with some rain here later Saturday afternoon into Saturday evening, and then it pulls out and weather conditions get a bit better for Sunday. So Saturday, I think, is the day that's going to be in question here as far as the weekend is concerned, and Sunday should be the better of the 2 weekend days. The Joe and Joe show will be on tonight at 7:30. We had some problems last night. About 11 minutes into the show, so I had a thunderstorm and the internet died. So the show died with it. But we will attempt to make another attempt at it tonight at 7:30 Eastern Time. So we hope to see you then. Have a good day.